Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys can join us today. Good morning, guys. As you guys are rolling in, let me say good morning. Hussein Namadi. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the stream. Just finished the pre-market show. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Bye-bye money. I'm gonna get our bamboo today. You guys are rolling in. Gonna do some pre-market analysis here. I'm gonna wait for a couple of my members to join. Damn. Pandas. Pandas. Panda, 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 panda. I don't know if you know that song by I don't remember his name. Yeah. What is his name? I cannot remember his name. I don't know why. Designer. Song that was popular like I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago. Maybe even longer, I'm not sure. But yeah. But it begins with panda. Panda. Panda, 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 panda. The song's called Panda. So, using for the stream. Oh, guys, I still have this, like, I'm getting over this cough, and I'm just, like, I'm not feeling well at all right now. And, yeah, I mean, I should feel okay, but it's just, the cough kind of, like, keeps you up at night, and you're just like, oh man. So like I feel okay in terms of energy, like as my body is okay, but the coughing affects you in other ways, and so it affects you overall because yeah, like I said, like it'll do things that keep you up at night. TK designer KM answering TK's question. These 2-letter initial names here. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but I have like a small space heater, and I just turned it on. It's like freezing in my room right now, and so we're gonna have some ambient noises for you guys, little fan noises in the back. Oh boy, yesterday. I'm not sure if you guys were there trading, but what a day yesterday. Wow. Absolutely incredible. That is incredible. That's probably the trade of the day. If you had like a contract here, you would have been stopped out perfectly right here. Actually, yeah, it's been impossible to really hold a runner here. But, man, if you had a contract at that reversal, you got about 100 points. 100 points. It's $5,000. Sheesh. More than 100 points. Looking at the daily, have you ever seen a range so large, Pandas, in one day? I mean, what happened yesterday? We had a huge move up, actually, almost recovering the entire down leg the day before, and then before hitting the top, like to trigger that second entry long, it just reverses, and boy, oh boy, that is crazy. That range of this bar, absolutely insane, absolutely insane. The range of this one bar. Is there a drawing tool for that? I don't even know. Ruler? 157 points, that range. 157 from top to bottom. Absolutely insane. And pandas, I mean, we had this sorry if I'm like clear my throat. I have like a cough drop in my mouth, so it might sound like I have something in my mouth. But without this cough drop, surely you guys would become deaf by the end of this stream. All my coughing into your ears. But what do we have here, pandas? Trading range on the daily. Trading range indicator marking this gigantic trading range. And yeah, this trap trade was everything that we needed. This trap, man, oh man, oh man. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. That one trap here. I mean, I was thinking it was gonna hit the bottom of the trading range, which it did, but then it just like blew past it like it was like hot butter through knife. Hot butter through knife. Knife through hot butter. All those hot butters cutting knives. But just sliced right through it. And heading to the 240 SMA on the daily. It's been a while. This is not an accurate. I don't actually, is this accurate measurement? I don't know if that's an accurate measurement, but that might have been the last time we hit it. Last year in April, or March, sorry. Last year in April, the 240 SMA. I mean, we're still very far from it, but it's a target. It is a target. What's going to happen today, pandas? Not sure. Could be a doji day today. I mean, you're thinking 3 big red bars. You're thinking the next one will be some sort of slight pause or pullback. I'm not sure, pandas. I really don't know, but this is a downtrend right now. And it's hard to say. Really hard to say how many candles we'll get in a row. But this is a vicious type of downtrend. And I personally think it's due to a couple things. Definitely, I think the main thing is the fact that we're probably going to start tapering. And if you guys don't know what that means, most likely going to have higher interest rates, right? The TNX is going up, and that reflects the interest rates that we have. And as that goes up, there's like almost a direct correlation. As that goes up, stocks go down. And it's just kind of funny how something like interest rates rising can prick the market. And I think it just shows how much the market is inflated because of cheap money, low interest rates. Why not just pull out money? Why not? If it's gonna be that you actually save money when you pull out money, because inflation is gonna actually make your money more expensive or more valuable right now. So you're actually making money as you just pull it out with low interest rates. As in cheaper, as in technically, right? If you pull it out, it should be easier to pay back later because the inflation. Somehow inflation, you should be getting more money with inflation, but those who have 9-to-5 jobs, that's not typical. Just fixed salary jobs. Inflation is our worst enemy. It is. It's our worst enemy. So, if rates rise, then this is what happens to the market. Man, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But today, we're reading price action, so regardless, whatever happens, we're just reading the price action. So I don't really care which way the market goes. I just, we're day traders, so It doesn't really matter for us. In fact, we enjoy those big moves because it gives us more opportunities, right? More bars mean more setups. More setups means more opportunity. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a range day today. Um, Range day today or another leg down. Honestly, could be another leg down. Who knows? Panda's market's about to open in 5 minutes. Make sure you guys fill out that poll. A little light today. Got a two-legged pullback forming here underneath the 20 MA. But we do got to break a trend to new low as well. So this is a spot where you look for a reversal. But, yeah, it depends. New high, downtrend. Actually, we might get another push down. Way above the 20 MA. Not looking to go short at all. It's 5 minutes before the open, but we're getting some nice movement here. I think the range today, 10K chart. Wow, this chart looks weird. It looks naked. As well. The 10K chart has a range, overnight range. It's marking it pretty nicely here. You see many reactions off of it, and failed breakdown, failed breakout, and we're coming back into the range. So I think this range might be important for us for today. But the range is large enough so we can actually take these reversal trades on the 2K chart, and we'll trade it accordingly. This is a place where you look for reversal, and we could get a nice little push up here. But market's not open. It's about to open. I don't want to be stuck in a trade when the market's open, so I'm going to sit on my pause. Ending the pull. And we do have room to the top of the trading range on the 10K chart. Almost want to mark the 10K trading range. You can see overnight we had a break of trend, spike in channel, break of trend, and the channel makes a new high, and this new high was a reversal here. And yeah, I mean that's what happened, right? That's when you get the reversal, and don't know what's happening here. Then you come back to the top of this trading range on the 2K chart, but the 240 SMA might act as resistance here. The place where we should get a reversal, it's being a little tricky, being a little tricky for us. Like it's getting overlapping, right? Choppy, a little choppy now. Sit on our pause. The market's about open in 2 minutes, so again, I don't want to be stuck in a trade. Good morning, guys. Hussein, Sam R, good morning. Kevin Mack from Louisville, Kentucky. But chat, throw me a 1 in the chat if you're a green yesterday. Throw me a 2 if you're a red. Give me a 3 if you're a flat yesterday. I want to get a gauge of how you guys are doing. that reversal happens here. But overlapping bars, 1, 2, 3, 4 overlapping bars now. So very sketchy reversal. Jesse Cole asks, why do you expect a reversal around this area? Well, mainly because we had a break of trend to new low, right? We do have a break of trend, and the break of trend makes a new low. And after that new low, essentially it's a type of double bottom. You expect, right, especially when you break above the 20 MA like this, you expect a reversal around this area. But we could be at the top of the trading range now, and we're choppy already with like 4 overlapping bars. Not interested in that trap. There's too many overlapping bars, and this is what you get. You get more chop. If you think about it, this is just a trading range in a smaller time frame. The trap ends up working and reverses here, but very sketchy trade. Breaking up right now to the upside. Market still hasn't opened yet. Yeah, a lot of you guys are making money yesterday. Man, yesterday was, ooh. I do want to fade this trading range here. If we get a lower high setup, I'll think about it. But market's open, pandas. Let's get our bamboo. Let's go, baby. I'm gonna trade today like a trading range day today. I'm gonna fade this. I'm gonna come back down to the bottom of the trading range here. I'm gonna fade this breakout, lower high setup. It's a lower high setup, and we'll swing this potentially to the bottom here. Yeah, I should have maybe done less contracts. Usually swing trade, I don't trade my full contract size, but we got stopped out. It's all good. I wanted to fade that trading range, thinking that we were going to go down, but this reversal pattern, I should have let it play out. I should have waited for a break of trend to new high, and a little too eager there to short it on that big push up, but we'll take the hit. It's all good. Maybe I'll also switch my contract sizes if I'm going to swing trade. Let's do this. But I still want to fade this trading range. Waiting for a setup now. Waiting for a new high, and then gonna fade it. Maybe not enough room to 20 MA. That could have been it. A lot of things. Should have waited for break of trend to new high. I was eager for that lower high setup because of trading range here, and I'm just like pretty certain we'll have a trading range. But I'm gonna enter again once we get right break of trend to new high. Second attempt here. We want one more push up here if we can get it. That'd be nice. Currently a double top. Just watching, just watching. Got her. Another push up. Gonna fade this again, pandas. This might get me again. Pandas. That's not it. Alright, one more hit, pandas, and I'm done. I want to fade this trading range, and I'm pretty certain it's gonna fade. Oh, pandas. Not one of these days. Alright, I'm just sitting on my pause. Pandas, we're hanging on. We're hanging on now. Just sitting on our pause now. I want a lower high setup. That was a lower high setup. That's why I took it at the top of the trading range. Didn't wait for the break, the new high yet. That could have been the reason, but currently looks like a pretty strong uptrend right now. So no longer gonna fade this. Oh, pandas! I don't think I'm gonna have edge today. I'm not feeling it. Definitely not feeling it. I think Fridays. I might take breaks on Fridays because I realize after like 4 trading days, even though this week only had 4 trading days, but after like 4 days, I'm just like, I think my focus is gone. I think I gotta maybe yeah, might need to take a break on Fridays here just for my mental health. I'm not there. I'm not focused. I'm not locked in right now. I can tell already. I can just feel it. And 2 losses in a row, and oh man, didn't even wait for my setup. I was just going in willy nilly on top of the trading range, and this is what you get. Gap is about to fill here. Yeah, let's just watch. Let's watch. Wait for a good setup and then enter in. We do have a gap here. This purple line. You know, if you look at the daily, there was like a gap between the market open to yesterday's close, and that gap is this purple line. That purple line could be try to be filled here. But I want to fade this once again. But we missed the gap by like 2 points. I'll take a reversal pattern, I guess. No setups for us right now. Potential lower high setup here, but technically this trading range is like no longer valid because this move up was so strong. Actually, it broke this trading range, but it could still be there. The 2K chart, it's still there. If I just waited, break a trend at least, right? Break a trend to new high, I could have got a piece of that. But that's also a little risky trade. I mean, you want a lower high setup at least. And yeah, no setups now. Just a downtrend. Going down, breaking beneath the 20 MA. Panda, sorry today. I'm just like super low energy. I can't tell you why. I mean, this lingering cough and still getting over this cough. I feel okay in terms of like my health, but it's just a cough that I have, and this cough is affecting me because it keeps me up at night, and I think I'm just like low energy today. I cannot focus. I'll take a reversal pattern here, pandas. Market's not gonna give it to us. That is a lower high setup, but sketchy, hard to trade. I'll take a trap trade, right? Fails like entry long if we can get it, but I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what the market gives us. Two legs down now, right? That's why we're looking for a fails like entry long if we can get it. Still waiting for a setup here. Only if I was this patient before the first 2 trades. This is what happens when you don't stick to the plan, pandas. You lose money. I think I do need to start taking breaks on Fridays. It's just too much, too much. Breaks above. Okay, you got me. I want the candle to finish here. We'll take a reversal, and I'm gonna swing this trade. I'm gonna swing it here. It's just every trade I take, it's gonna bust me. But that's a reversal pattern that I want to try take. It gets me again. Pandas, I'm done. I'm done for today. I'm done. I mean, that reversal pattern knocks me out and then goes my direction. I can't. Pandas, the trap trade gets me, and then, yeah, I mean, the context is good. Hits me and then starts to go my direction. Oh, pandas, I can't. Sitting on my paws now. I mean, what in the world? I can't handle that. 3 losses in a row. And that's it. That's it. Just watching now. Ah, pandas. This is Fridays, man. I can't trade. I just can't do it. Nah, stops me out, and then if it actually goes in my direction, it's just one of those days. Unfortunately. Man, it's just like, it's one of those days, like every trade you take is like, okay, it just does the thing. All right, stops you out, then goes your direction. Pandas, it's just one of those days. That was a good trade, and it just happened to stop me out before actually going the way I wanted to go, unfortunately. And it is what it is. What can I do? You got the right premise, but stops you out, and just really no other way to manage that trade. Yeah, I mean, unless I extended my stop loss, but we don't do that here. We do not do that here. Ends up going the direction I thought I was gonna go, and would have made up all that money on that one swing trade that I was waiting for. I would have made it up, in one trade. But it's all good, pandas. I mean, it is what it is. So you win some, you lose some. And today we're losing. It's just like, oh man, you gotta just take it in the gut. Unfortunate, so unfortunate. I had that trade reversal. I even waited for the bar to finish, and we got in, stops us out, then goes our direction right after it stops us out. Tricky market. Tricky. With that being said, pandas, I'm not trading for the rest of the stream. Sorry. Yeah, big swing trades. I should have maybe traded smaller. That was my first mistake. Try to start swing trading with my full contract sizes, and man, I think on stream I gotta start lowering my contract sizes again, because this is another big red day, and my rule right now is, man, 3 losses in a row. Even if I see a good setup, I'm sitting on my pause. I mean, it is what it is. Gotta always protect the capital. And especially on today where I already feel like I don't have an edge. It's just one of those days. So we're just watching now. Yeah, I may have to try smaller here. take some 2 contract trades now. I gotta like put myself in probation. I gotta slow down with the trades. It's funny, we missed the gap by 2 points, and it's a little concerning for the bulls. Missing a gap and reversing. That's yeah. This is unfortunate because, you know, like, obviously I want to trade with you guys, but I gotta stick to the plan. You know, those 3 losses, you gotta reset. You gotta, you know, reassess the situation. And that's unfortunate because that was a trade that I liked, and I was gonna swing it at least to the bottom of this, but oh man, sometimes it just does that. It just stops you out, then goes your way, and it's unfortunate. It is what it is, pandas, and you know, that's what you see. You know, that was a setup that I'll be willing to wait for, and these lower high setups that I was trying to take here, right? Lower high setup here, lower high setup here. 2 lower high setups failing. I mean, the trading range was large enough. I could have waited for that reversal setup, but I was a little eager to reverse. I don't know why. I should have waited for break of trend, right, to new high. And then we wait for that reversal pattern, which is what we got here. Similar to what we had here, right? Reversal pattern here, right, with that magenta 3 and the magenta 3 here, right? These are reversal patterns that we look for. And they both, right, they work out after, right? Well, this one worked out on its own, but this one, unfortunately, stops us out, then goes our way. Tricky, tricky. Tricky, tricky. What can you do? The lower high setups, they're not the worst trades. I don't think. I could have just been more patient from the top of the trading range, but it's not a big red day. I definitely got to lower my contract sizes now during live stream just because I think it's affecting my psyche. Plus, I know already I didn't have the edge today. I definitely feel out of it, so. Big reversal here. 10K chart. You know, we're from the bottom trading range to the top of the trading range. 10K chart's giving us a very nice range here, very clean. Right, multiple hits. Bottom to the top. But the nice thing is, pandas, is risk-free trading. We're trading with Apex, so it's all good, pandas. It's all good. Take it on the chin and move on. Hope you guys are doing better than me. Oh, pandas, I might just end the stream early. I don't know. Just not feeling it. I really think I gotta take breaks on Fridays. And I was like contemplating if I should just not end the stream today because I was so out of it. Yeah, ends up being pretty bad. But regardless, pandas, it's all good. We'll keep the stream up to 10 at least. And see what happens. I mean, definitely I'm not taking any more trades on stream, so just sitting on my paws. To like a pullback off the 20 MA. Strong uptrend. $10K, right? Hits the top of the trading range. Top of the trading range. Maybe comes back to the bottom of the trading range. It's that easy today, pandas. That's why I wanted to fade that trading range so bad early on. It's all good, pandas. Two-legged pullback. A, B, C. Looking for that new high. See if we get it. Oh, pandas. It is what it is, though. Yeah, no excuses. I mean, I'm red because I messed up. I didn't stick to the plan. Lack of discipline. Definitely losing edge. I mean, my psychology, psychologically, I'm just not. Mentally, I'm just not here right now. And if you're not there, you cannot trade. You should not be trading. And that was my mistake. So, it is what it is. A 10K chart, top of the trading range, now back to the bottom of the trading range. 10K chart, it's bouncing back and forth here. Very nice. All right, pandas. I don't know. I might just call it a day. I'm not feeling it. I think really yeah. This weekend gonna focus on getting better and in terms of health and gonna get rest. Also, I think Fridays, man, I'm sorry. I think I gotta take a break on Fridays, pandas. It's unfortunate because I love training with you guys, but it's just too much of a toll on me, and I gotta think about that first, especially when it comes to trading. And so I think Fridays I'll probably start taking breaks. Yeah, sad, but sorry, pandas. Gonna have to worry about my mental game before other things. So hope you guys are doing way better than me. Obviously, I'm deep red. But we'll stick to the plan, pandas, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna be done for today. So, pandas, have an amazing weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday, bright and early, and yeah, hopefully get our bamboo. So, sorry, cutting it short. I really can't. I can't. I mean, after this. After this trap stops me out and it goes my direction, I'm done. I'm done for today. I just cannot, mentally, I know I won't be there, and I cannot trade. I won't be able to trade. I know I cannot when something like that happens, and I'm just like, oh, I'm so frustrated. I'm just gonna sit on my pause, and what happens happens. So, pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early Monday, and yeah. As always, happy trading. God bless. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.